Hello, cocktail connoisseur. I'm Johnathan Jones from Bandista at the Four Seasons Houston. I'm going to make to you today one of our house cocktails that we've created. It's a little highball that's inspired by Texas, which is where we're from. Texans love Texas. So I'm going to start with a Collins glass, a little bit of apricot liqueur, stone fruit is going to be the fragrance and note that we're wanting to pick up in our apricot. Texas is known for peaches. There's a city in the hill country named Fredericksburg that has like wonderful peaches year round. But during peach season, they're magical. So we've actually taken fresh peaches, made them into a jam, and then we blend this with a little bit of honey that's been added with apple cider vinegar and champagne vinegar to give it some rich umami notes and lots of acid mixed with that peach preserve that we've created. So we do 1 1/4 ounce of our sour peach honey. To stay with the theme of Texas, we're going to use Old Forester's King Ranch. King Ranch is a ranch in Texas as well that they've taken the wood and aged the barrels in that wood there from King Ranch. It's going to get a nice 1.5 ounces of our delicious whiskey. Get a little chill and dilution. No one wants a warm cocktail. Texas's favorite sparkling water from our friends down south in Mexico, Topo Chico. Give it a gentle stir. Make sure all that carbonation gets integrated nicely while still keeping the bubbles fun. And we also have a beautiful garnish to remind you that you're in Texas with a little rubber ducky saying yeehaw to you. So yeehaw and hello.